Problem number 6. The hypotenuse of a right triangle is 34 cm. Find the length of the shortest leg if it is 14 cm shorter than the other leg. So, solution. Drawing muna natin yung right triangle. Sabi sa problem, yung hypotenuse niya is 34 cm. Hanapin daw yung length ng shortest leg if it is 14 cm shorter than the other leg. So let x be the shortest leg. So, halimbawa, ito yung shortest leg natin. Yung longer leg will be x plus 14. Kasi nga, yung shortest leg, sabi sa problem, is 14 cm shorter than the other leg. Now, using yung Pythagorean theorem, diba yung square of the hypotenuse equal siya sa square ng isang side plus yung square din ng isa pang side. So we have 34 square is equal to, yung a natin is x, so x squared plus x plus 14 squared. 34 square equal siya sa 1156. 56 x squared plus x squared plus 14x plus 14x plus 14 times 14 is equal to 196. 96. Simplify natin, you have 156 o 1156 equal to 2x squared plus 28x plus 196. Lipat natin sa right side yung 1156. We have 2x squared plus 28x plus 196 minus 1156 equal to 0. And 196 less 1156 equal siya sa 960. So 2x squared plus 28x less 960 equal to 0. So para makuha natin si x, pwede natin gamitin yung quadratic equation. Diba kung matatandaan nyo, si quadratic equation equal siya sa x is equal to negative b plus minus square root ng b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Itong nakuha natin kanina, naka-quadratic form siya. Ito yung a natin, 2. Siya yung a. 28 will be b. And yung 960, yung c. Kaya yung x natin equal siya sa negative b. Ang b is 28, so negative 28 plus minus square root ng 28. Bakit negative din? Hindi siya negative. Square minus 4 times yung a natin is 2 and ang c natin ay negative 960. Over 2 times ang a natin ay 2. So x is equal to negative 28 plus minus square root ng 28 square ay 784 minus 4 times 2 times negative 960 is equal to, magiging positive na siya, 7,680. And then yung 2 times 2 is 4. X is equal to negative 28 plus minus square root ng 784 plus 7680 is 8464 divided by 4. So x is equal to negative 28 plus square root nitong 8,464 ay 92 divided by 4. So x is equal to 92 less 28, 64 over 4. Therefore, your x will be 64 divided by 4 is 16. Now, to check kung yung x mo ay 16, x plus 14 is 16 plus 14 is 30. So, dapat masatisfy natin yung Pythagorean theorem natin. C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. So, 34 squared is equal to A is 16 squared plus 30 squared. So, 34 squared is 11, 56 equal to 16 squared is 256 plus 30 squared is 900. So you have 1156 is equal to 256 plus 900 is 1156. So tama. The answer is 16 cm B.